This is Cayuga Nature Center. Say hi, Sania. Sania's doing a puzzle with butterflies and stuff.
Oh, look at the squirrels!
Birds and squirrels. They stuffed them. Shirone snapping pictures. Say hi, YouTube. Jada, say hi, YouTube. We're at Cayuga Nature Center. Jerelyn is magnifying other things here. Cayuga Nature.
Oh, isn't this nice? But people, you guys gotta learn to get your kids out and experiment. Don't sit your kids at home while you at home smoking weed or having the other baby on the move. Get your kids out and
On the way.
Life is more than sitting at home.
Yes. Look at the feet. How fabulous is that? Educational. Yeah, we just brought a bigger tent than that, way bigger.
20-foot by 14 tent, and
we're going camping. Activities.
Americans, you have to get your kids out.
Activities.
Mansfield, Pennsylvania, High 1-662-2923.
Activities. Camp with your children. The white people do it, and the white kids don't end up. Well, then don't end up crazy. They get a little angry sometimes, but all right, we gotta find a bathroom so we can go on the trail. The butterflies and stuff, and the ants and the roaches and shit.
They should be in exhibits, not in your house, people.
Exhibits,
not in the house. No roaches in your house.
Bugs and all. Interesting insects. This is called interesting insects. And laughing around my